New Vande Bharat Express between Mumbai and Mangaluru to cut travel time to just 12 hours. Indian Railway plans to introduce a new Vande Bharat train service connecting Mumbai directly to Mangaluru, streamlining the existing Mumbai-Goa and Mangaluru-Goa routes. The new service aims to reduce the travel time to 12 hours. Currently, the Mumbai-Goa Vande Bharat departs at 5:25 am, reaching Goa at 1:10 pm. Under the new plan, the train will continue to Mangaluru, arriving at 6 pm. Similarly, the Mangaluru-Goa service, which departs at 8:30 am, will extend its routes to Mumbai, reaching by 9 pm. Challenges ahead: evening congestion at Mumbai stations. While the new services promises faster travel, concerns have been raised regarding potential congestion at Mumbai station. During evening hours, multiple long-distance trains arriving simultaneously may create scheduling difficulties. Additionally, the occupancy rate of the Mumbai-Goa Vande Bharat has declined from 90% to around 70%. The growing popularity of Vande Bharat Express. Since its debut in 2019, Vande Bharat Express has gained popularity for its speed and modern amenities. With features like Wi-Fi, entertainment screens, and large windows, the Vande Bharat enhances the travel experience. Currently operating on over 40 routes across India, the Vande Bharat Express continues to expand its network, servicing facilities and seasonal demands with special trains and routes extensions. Thank you. Visit again.